Do you know that if you're using IPv4 addresses or Internet Protocol version 4 addresses, that you also have to use a subnet mask? What is a subnet mask? A subnet mask, it just tells you what part of the IP address is for the networks and what part of the IP address is for the host or how many devices you can have per network. So if you look down here, these are standard subnet masks. So a class A would look like 255.0.0.0. Class B would look like 255.255.0.0. And a class C is 255.255.255.0. Now, if you're doing building automation, you're going to be working with IT most likely, and they're going to supply you with your IP address and your subnet mask. You're probably not dreaming this up. If you want to know where they come up with the values for each one of these, it works just like the IPv4 address that we went over in another video. Each period represents a series of 8 bits, and those 8 bits, their bit weight doubles in value as it goes from right to left in each octet. So an octet means 8. So if you follow these arrows down, you can see there's 8 bits. Not a single one of those are on, so the bit value is 0. Here you can see that all these bits are on, so you add all those bit weights together and you up with a bit value of 255. So a subnet mask, the first bit that is off, that is where the divide is at. That means this side is your network side, so this is how many networks you can have, and on this side is how many devices you can have per network. You can use two different formulas because on the network side, you use 2 to the power of n. So in this case, we have 24 bits straight that are on. So you take 2 to the power of 24, and you have 16,777,216 available networks. On the host and device side, it's 2 to the power of n minus 2. So in this example, we have 8 bits. So n is your 8 bits. So you take 2 to the power of 8, which is 256. You minus 2. So you have 254 devices you can add per network.